Hey everyone, how are you doing? And I am getting ready to start another DIY for Valentine's. This Valentine's, the only thing I bought was tissue paper from Hobby Lobby that kind of fell into the Mackenzie child feel. She uses polka dots, she uses stripes, she uses the courtly check, she uses the harlequin, houndstooth. So this is what I'm using for mine today, and then I'm using one of my little hearts that I've had for a long time, and I just found it in my stash. What I'm using for my base, I got this years ago. I cannot tell you how many times I almost tossed this because I thought I'm never going to use it in my laundry room because I really didn't care for it that much. What I was looking at more than anything was this deep, kind of like a shadow box, if you will. So I finally realized what I could do with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a very fast and easy decor piece. And I'm going to go ahead and take my black gesso and I'm going to paint all of this. And I'm going to decide if I want the stripe inside or the polka dot inside. If I don't do the polka dot inside, I could put the polka dot on top here. Well, actually, I could put it all over, but I don't want to. And then on the inside, I'm going to go ahead and paint all of this black. And then I might come in here and do it white, depending on which of these tissue papers I use. And I'm just going to start now with the process. Everything's painted, okay? And now I just have to decide. There's a little wet part right there. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, which I want to be on the inside. I don't know if I want the polka dot or the stripe. I would really like to find the courtly check in this. Wouldn't that be neat to have the polka dot, the stripe, and that specific check? That would be cool. Well, I'm going to open up one of these anyway, just to have it ready. This is nice tissue paper. It's really nice. And that's from Hobby Lobby. Got a couple pieces here. It's a heavier tissue paper. And you find it in the party section where all the wrapping paper. And I've told you guys before, a lot of times I get a lot of inspiration from catalogs as well as Pinterest and, you know, just looking online. The only way I'm going to know is to be able to cut it out and just kind of mess with both. What's nice too, a lot of times you can just cut right on the line. I don't know if that's going to be the case today. Okay, I think I'm going to go with the stripe. The stripe to me just is a little bit more of that Mackenzie child feel. Okay, so I cut some pieces of the ribbon and I've been messing with it, and I think I'm just gonna try, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna take you along with me while I try it. I'm just